Can you believe I spent close to 1 year searching for work at home ideas and opportunities business? There is tons of information being present to you through all sorted of money-making program. I have joined many program and purchased ebook about money making online. After spending close to $5,000 and feel like I am just spinning the wheels and still getting nowhere. I can't tell you how many mindless hours I spend sitting in front of my computer trying to make money online and still cannot fly off. Sound familiar? I bet it does. I don't know about you, but I've spent a lot of money in the past. The one thing you should know is that making money on the internet will only be limited by one thing: your time. Recently, I was introduced by my mentor about a book called Multiple Streams of Income by best-selling author Robert Allen. In the book talked about the necessity for people to create multiple streams of income. So, when I read through the Plug-in Profit Make Money online program website, I was extremely exciting to know about this program that helping people like you and me to make money online by joining different programs with own website. At last, I can concentrate to promote only one website with multiple streams of income. I don't want you to make the same mistake I did, because as online marketer, we need to concentrate one marketing website rather than promoting different affiliate program each time. A lot of my time is taking up. You can avoid many costly pitfalls and dramatically accelerate your path to profits online. Then what should the internet marketing do? The key is to stay focused. Success can be yours as long as you have the patience and persistence to act on the steps outlined for you. Remember, in this internet business, it is not a race. It is a journey. Hope you learned things today. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.